Hi there, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2019 Scout 255 LXI. Being a Scout, one of the best looking boats on the water, beautiful profile walking up the side. This one powered by Mercury, 200 horsepower. That is a good size upgrade from what we normally bring in, which is the 150s, a little extra oomph if you're looking for a boat that's a little bit faster. Walking on board, we have a nice walk-through transom, pop-up cleats, a couple of rod holders in back in case you plan on doing a little fishing, as well as a nice live well. No Scout would be complete without the upgraded Yeti cooler in the back, as well as a bait prep station and some more rod holders. Integrated hardtop, spreader lights. If you are out on the boat at night, it makes it real easy to obviously light up the back of the boat. We do have the fold-out seat in the cockpit as well. Going up to the helm, Garmin GPS display. Everything you really need to know in terms of depth, mapping, all the engine data information, everything all integrated into one spot. Helm seats are going to have the nice flip-up bolster seats, as well as the tilt Edson steering wheel. So move along the nice deep gunnel towards the front of the boat. You see the hatch to the cabin area. Nice head. The vacuum flush, so it does have the integrated pump out. Works well as a storage space also. Moving all the way to the bow. Nice backrests that sit in, so you can forward facing from the bow. Fold out table. Access to your windlass. And a nice forward facing seat just below in front of the center cockpit. Again, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Give us a call, check out our website on the 2019 Scout LXF.